Looking to boost your woodworking skills? Today, we're highlighting 18 cutting-edge woodworking tools from Amazon that you'll wish you had discovered sooner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more woodworking tools. Tool number 1, Hoto Screwdriver. Starting off is the Hoto Screwdriver, a compact, powerful tool built for speed and precision. This sleek, rechargeable screwdriver features an ergonomic handle and high-torque motor, giving you full control for all your woodworking and DIY projects. It handles a variety of screw sizes with ease, and interchangeable bits make it versatile for furniture assembly, fixture installation, or detailed woodwork. The built-in LED light illuminates dark corners, while its lightweight design keeps hand fatigue to a minimum. Professionals and hobbyists alike will appreciate how much faster and easier this screwdriver makes their projects truly a gadget you'll wish you bought yesterday. 2. WM Caps Beanie. Next is the WM Caps Beanie, a cozy and practical accessory for those long hours in a workshop or cold outdoor workspaces. Crafted from soft, breathable materials, it keeps you warm without restricting comfort. The snug, flexible fit protects your head and ears while remaining lightweight so it won't interfere with your work. Perfect for woodworking, DIY projects, or casual wear. Some models even include reflective accents for added safety in low light. Easy to clean and built to last, the WM Caps Beanie is a stylish, functional addition to your workshop gear, a gadget you'll wish you bought yesterday. Number 3, Ugreen Robot Charger. Next up is the Ugreen Robot Charger, essential for keeping your smart tools and robotic devices powered and ready. Designed for speed and safety, this charger supports multiple devices with intelligent current distribution, overcharge protection, and heat control. Its compact, durable design reduces clutter and fits seamlessly into any workspace. Whether you're using automated tools or personal devices, the Ugreen Robot Charger ensures uninterrupted workflow. Reliable and efficient, it's a must-have for woodworkers who rely on digital tools. Number 4, 4-in-1 Laser Level. Next is the 4-in-1 Laser Level, a versatile tool that guarantees precision for every project. Projecting horizontal, vertical, and cross lines, it's perfect for aligning shelves, cabinets, frames, and more. The 360-degree rotating base and adjustable angles allow for precise positioning, while magnetic mounts, tripods, and laser targets make setup effortless. Compact, durable, and easy to read, this laser level ensures professional results every time. Number 5, 2-pan SSD. Next is the 2-pan SSD, a high-speed storage device designed for woodworkers and designers working with digital plans. Fast read and write speeds allow large project files, CAD designs, and tutorials to be accessed without delay. Shock-resistant and compact, it's easy to carry between workshops, protecting your valuable data. Plug-and-play compatibility ensures hassle-free setup with laptops, desktops, and tablets, perfect for maintaining a smooth workflow. Number 6, Devoom Timebox Evo. The Devoom Timebox Evo is a compact, multifunctional Bluetooth speaker that brings fun and functionality to your workspace. Enjoy high-quality sound for music, podcasts, or tutorials, while the customizable LED display shows animations, clocks, notifications, or reminders. Portable and durable with long battery life, it fits perfectly on workbenches or tables, combining entertainment and practicality. Number 7, LED Table Lamp. The LED table lamp ensures a well-lit workspace for accurate, comfortable work. Adjustable brightness, color temperature, and flexible necks let you direct light precisely where it's needed, reducing eye strain and improving precision. Energy-efficient LEDs offer long-lasting illumination, and its sleek, durable design fits any desk or workbench. Perfect for sanding, assembling, or inspecting finishes, this lamp is a practical, stylish addition to any workshop. Number 8, Anker USBC Hub. The Anker USBC Hub expands your laptop or workstation connectivity, ideal for woodworking professionals using digital tools. It includes USB-A, HDMI, SD card readers, and fast charging ports for simultaneous connection of tablets, cameras, drives, and monitors. Compact, durable, and plug-and-play, it keeps your devices organized and workflow uninterrupted. Number 9, TickTime Timer. The TickTime Timer is a simple yet essential tool for keeping your projects on schedule. Large, easy-to-read display, intuitive controls, and a loud alarm make it ideal for tracking drying times, project steps, or focused work intervals. Magnetic backing and compact design keep it on your workbench without clutter. Durable, reliable, and practical. It's an essential gadget you'll wish you bought yesterday for a more organized workshop. Number 10. Lizen phone holder. The Lizen phone holder keeps your smartphone secure and in view while you work. Adjustable design accommodates various phone sizes with rotation, tilt, and height adjustments, perfect for referencing plans or tutorials. Lightweight, durable, and easy to mount on benches or walls, ensures your device is safe and accessible, boosting workflow and convenience. Number 11. Air duster. The air duster blows away dust, debris, and sawdust from workbenches, tools, and electronics without harsh chemicals. Lightweight, portable, and precise, it reaches tight corners effortlessly. Extend the life of your tools while maintaining a tidy workspace, durable, efficient, and practical. Number 12. Mug warmer. The mug warmer keeps your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature while you work. Compact, energy efficient, and easy to clean, it fits on your bench or desk, letting you stay focused and productive. Some models include adjustable temperatures and spill-resistant surfaces, making it safe and convenient. Number 13. Knee sugar steamer. The knee sugar steamer uses hot steam to clean tools and surfaces, keeping your workshop tidy and dust-free. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, it enhances efficiency while maintaining cleanliness. Number 14. Govee LED strip lights. Govee LED strip lights brighten and personalize your workshop. Easy to install, app-controlled, and adjustable, they provide vibrant, energy-efficient illumination for workspaces or ambient lighting. Functional, stylish, and practical, a gadget you'll wish you bought yesterday. Number 15. Tile Wallet Finder. Keep track of your wallet, keys, or small tools with the Tile Wallet Finder. Compact, phone-compatible, and reliable, it prevents lost items and saves time, an essential gadget you'll wish you bought yesterday. Number 16. Lizen USB cable. The Lizen USB cable is durable, fast-charging, and built to last. Perfect for connecting devices in the workshop or at home, it ensures reliable data transfer, a practical accessory you'll wish you bought yesterday. Number 17. Smart Trash Can. The Smart Trash Can keeps your workspace clean, hands-free. Sensor-operated, with automatic lid opening, durable build, and odor control, it's perfect for busy woodworkers. A convenient, hygienic gadget you'll wish you bought yesterday. Number 18. Toothbrush Sanitizer. The toothbrush sanitizer uses UV light to kill germs and bacteria, keeping brushes clean and hygienic. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's perfect for home or travel. A practical gadget you'll wish you bought yesterday. That's our list of 20 new woodworking gadgets on Amazon you need yesterday. Which one would you add to your workshop first? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more woodworking tools, tips, and gadget reviews.